YouTube channel. Today's video is March unboxing Look Fantastic. Now, I have subscribed to Look Fantastic. If any of you guys don't know what Look Fantastic is, it is a website you can buy makeup on, skincare, hair care, makeup brushes, hairbrushes, headbands, absolutely anything. It is absolutely amazing. Also, they do beauty boxes and advent calendars. So, for those of you who don't know, basically a bit more about Look Fantastic, then everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys anyway. But if you are new to my channel and you didn't know that Look Fantastic has a subscription service, then this video is going to be right up your street. So, for those of you who want to know what this is, then please keep watching. Before I get on to showing you what this box is, so this is my March Look Fantastic box. So Look Fantastic has a subscription service. I pay £13 a month for this beautiful box every month. This month is the National Women's Day. The day I'm filming this is obviously not a National Women's Day. I'm probably saying this completely all wrong, but I do apologise. But I've taken, sorry it's taken me a long time to film these. A lot of stuff has gone on, which will be explained more in a video that's coming up. But yeah, this is my March Look Fantastic box. So I'm about to show you everything you're going to receive in this box. For those of you, before I get into this box as well, for those of you who don't know about Look Fantastic, again, you can buy all makeup and everything on there. You can purchase these boxes as well. So I'm not being paid to say all this. I'm not being sponsored by Look Fantastic whatsoever. I would absolutely love to work with Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic is an amazing website. You can buy so much of. I've actually bought a few bits of makeup. I've bought 2 NYX eyeshadow palettes, a Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray, which I've been dying to grab my hands on. I think I've bought my first bottle of that when we was in Butlins. I can't remember where I bought it from, but I bought my first bottle and then I loved it so much I bought my second bottle on Look Fantastic. So for those of you who don't know, Look Fantastic do also do these beauty boxes as well. So again, it's a subscription service, so you can choose the plan you like and you can cancel it any time as well. So even if you are subscribed to, say for example, this month and you're not interested in buying the next month because you didn't like the products or you're just can't afford it, then it is easily unsubscribable as well. So you can unsubscribe at any time as well. Fantastic is like Glossybox in a sense, but the only thing about Look Fantastic is you do not do surveys, you do not earn money from them. They just send you these beautiful boxes at the end of the month. Obviously you pay to receive a beauty box at the end of the month. I'm absolutely in love with them. I think I've been subscribed to Look Fantastic for about a year now and I'm really enjoying it and I absolutely love it. Last year I bought the advent calendar from Look Fantastic for the very first time and let me tell you, I absolutely loved it. I do not regret one bit. I absolutely love all the products. I love the box itself. The price I didn't love because it took away a big chunk of my bank balance, but it was very much worth it. I absolutely loved it. I loved all the products. I think I've used most of all the products anyway, but I'm absolutely enjoying it and yeah, I would highly recommend it. And I will be definitely purchasing this year's advent calendar as well, if I can, hopefully. Anyway, back to this box. So again, this was the National Women's Day theme. So again, as you open the box, you get a little booklet. So it's bigger than Glossyboxes. In this one, it obviously tells you about all the products that you're going to receive inside your box, and it kind of helps you like little tips as well of how to use the product itself, and it just tells you little things about the box as well, about the National Women's Day. It's just so much. And on the back it tells you what's coming in your next month's box. So I can actually say April, They give you a little sneak peek in April's box, which I'm not going to mention, but I will say April's box for Look Fantastic is going to be worth over £92. It's crazy, isn't it? You get a box that's worth over £92 and I am subscribed to it and I just get them for £13 a month. It's absolutely crazy. Like I said, the money is absolutely worth it, especially with the products you get as well, and I'm absolutely in love with all the products. And just like Look Fantastic, not Look Fantastic, like Glossybox, you have the tissue paper. I've already opened it because I cannot wait. I'm like a child. I really am. As soon as these arrive, I have to open them. I'm like a kid at Christmas. So, I'm going to show you this way because the products are already down there. Without trying to tip them over and put them all over the floor, those are the products. I will be showing you one by one as well, so don't panic. So, the first thing is this. Now, this is the Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. Helps exfoliate and tone and brighten. Now, I've never heard of anything like this before, but I'm so happy to give it a go. Especially about the Look Fantastic boxes are absolutely amazing, by the way, guys. If you are not subscribed, then I highly recommend subscribing. They put in products that you've never heard of before, so you can test them out. If you don't like them, then that's fair enough. If you absolutely love them like I do, then you will be purchasing it the full size products or purchasing more if you have the full size products. I absolutely love every single product that I've received every month, but I've never even tried these before, so I'm so excited to give this a go. I cannot wait. So I'm always doing loads of things to help brighten my skin, to help it a bit more moisturised as well, especially in my kind of job and my time schedule and everything else. It does help to try and just exfoliate a little bit more, so I love little things like these as well. Next thing is this. So this is a Christopher Robin regenerating mask. So it's hair mask. So I absolutely love hair masks. I will try any product out for hair masks. If it don't work or it's not exactly, even I just use it for the first time and it's irritating my skin, I don't use it. I either give it to family members or friends, or I bin it. Simple as that, and I do not buy it ever again. But I'm so excited to give this a go. I can't remember the smell. It has a bit of a smell to it, but I wouldn't say it's a nice kind of smell that I would put into my hair. But I would give it a go anyway. But I'm just going to give that a closer look so you guys can see of what it looks like. Next product is this. Now, I saw this one and I thought, oh, this is quite cute. This is a Bloom Blossom, a Wonder Worker multitasking balm. So it says here, Keys Phones Wonder Worker, how to use. Apply with clean fingers and to skin that needs an extra tension for extra use only. So basically, I think it is a primer. Where's the thing? And I will actually find out whether it's just a primer or like a, oh, it's just a normal, like, it's a balm, but it's like a primer balm, if you guys get that. Probably not, because sometimes I do not make a word of sense. But this is absolutely really, really cute. I've never even heard of Bloom and Blossom before. I don't know if you guys have. If you have, please let me know in the comment section below and what you thought of it. But I've never even heard of the product before, but I'll just give it a go. I would just give any product a go and see if they actually work. If not, then I won't be buying it again, or I won't be purchasing myself one, or I won't be using it again. Simple as that. But I will give anything a go, so I cannot wait to try that. Next product is this. So this is a Polar Ice Source Moisturizing Cream with iceberg water. Now, I love these Polar products. They are absolutely incredible. I have got a hand cream polar, a micellar water one. It's absolutely incredible. So when I saw this, I thought, oh my god, yes, thank you so much. I love Polar. I probably said it wrong, but I do apologise, but I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. These kind of products are absolutely incredible. I love these so much. So every time I see these in my boxes, I'm like, thank you. Look fantastic. You have stocked me up good. Really, really good. And I love them so much. So thank you so much for that one. Also, quickly, before I carry on, I think it was in my Look Fantastic advent calendar, there was an Elemis, full-size Elemis product, and they're normally worth about, what, £65 to £70. I was absolutely obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. And I was so happy that I received it. I think it was Look Fantastic. If not, then it was Glossybox. But I was so happy that I received it because I love Elemis anyway. I have quite a few products in the bathroom that is Elemis products now. I will probably do a video and show you guys sometime, but I absolutely love them so much. I was so grateful to them to stock me up because I love the products. The products are really expensive itself, so I was so excited to receive it in the actual advent calendar, let alone a box that I receive every month. But yeah, so thank you to Glossybox or Look Fantastic. I hope it's Look Fantastic, but thank you so much to stock me up on Elemis as well because they are very expensive and I absolutely love them so much. Anyway, back to this month's box. I just have a couple of more bits to show you. So the next one is this beauty eyeliner. So this is a Lottie London AM to PM black eyeliner. Now, I've never tried Lottie London's products before. This is my very first product from Lottie London, and I'm so excited because I've heard so much about Lottie London. It looks a really nice black colour as well. That is a really, really good black. I absolutely love that. So thank you to Look Fantastic because I just fling it on the floor. I eyeliners anyway, and I wanted to test out Lottie London's products. So thank you so much to Look Fantastic for that. Last two products I have to show you is this one. This is called Havana. Sorry if I said this wrong. A mineral mud soap. So it's a soap that's kind of, to be honest with you, it smells like Imperial leather. Like them old, how can I describe it? Do you know them old fashioned hotel soaps and they smell like Imperial leather? It smells like that, and it looks like a very small hotel soap as well. But again, I will give it a go, see if I enjoy it. If me and Nathan don't have a reaction about it, then we will be keeping that, but I will give it a go. Last product to show you guys is this. This is a Brushworks brush. This is a double-ended brow brush. Now, I have so many brushes, and when I saw this, I thought, yeah, I love it. It's a brow brush, so you have the spoolie on one end and the brow brush itself on the other. I like these kind of brushes because you can never have too many, because I don't know about you, if any of you girls out there lose so many of these brushes. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but you place them somewhere and then all of a sudden you go on a massive cleaning spree. Just poked myself in the face with it. A massive cleaning spree, and you put it somewhere and now you can't think of where you put it. So, and then you go and buy more, but then you lose more. It's a nightmare, it really is. So I'm so thank you to Look Fantastic once again for stocking me up on these kind of brushes, because I'm always losing them and I don't know where they go. I really don't. So thank you so much to Look Fantastic for that. So that is all the products that I've received in this month's box. So guys, that has been my March unboxing Look Fantastic box. If you guys are interested in Look Fantastic or interested in the actual beauty boxes itself, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic, their website, their beauty boxes, how to subscribe. Everything will be in the description box below for you guys, so check that out if you are interested. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well next to it, so you are notified every time I upload. There is a few videos coming up your way, guys, so please stay tuned. Please, if I don't upload, please be patient. There's just a lot of things going on at the moment. I will explain more in a different video. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you to every single one of you who has subscribed so far. Welcome to all you new subscribers. Hope you are loving my channel so far, and yeah, I hope you're loving the content. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.